Hi everyone, welcome back to Edo. Today we will show you a replacement guide on how to replace the camera lens glass on the Google Pixel 6 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, using a heat gun or hairdryer, apply heat to soften the glue on the camera lens glass. Or if not, gently start removing pieces from the broken glass. Removing the pieces may take time if your camera lens glass have severe cracks. You can use a tweezer, pry tool, knife head tool or something similar to remove the broken pieces. Be gentle in this process and use the heat gun when required. And also be careful with the camera heads. Once you remove the pieces, use a brush tool to clean the surface. And also can use cleaning liquid or alcohol to clean out the dust bits and glue particles on the lens area. Next, place and secure the new camera lens glass on the body. For this, you can use B7000 glue or double-sided adhesive. Once installed, ensure it sits securely. And then clean the outer surface. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.